I said I ain't messing with her unless she real fine.
Alright, right now we're in comfort mode, but if I switch this, see I'm in, do you feel it change?
Oh yeah.
That ain't me, that's the car. And I'm gonna give you a chance to try it out.
Okay.
It's got an attention assist. It will tell you that it thinks you're getting tired and you need to take a break. It's got a brake assist. It'll sound an alarm to let you know when you should step on the brake. You got heated and cooled seats. Push that button right there, that first one.
This one?
That one. Now the air conditioner will be directed through the seats. It'll cool off much faster. Up here is your embrace. This is your outside communications. So if you have a mechanical failure, or you have an emergency like chest pains or allergic reactions, or you just want to get a hotel room or a restaurant reservation, you push one of these buttons, somebody on the other side will answer. They'll call you by name because the car is registered to you, and they'll get it all set up for you, whatever you need. The vehicle's certified, so it comes with a warranty, unlimited miles. Your keys?
Thank you.
1, 2, 3.
So as promised in part 1, I wanted to go ahead and give you all the remainder of the footage from where I was basically getting the proper walkthrough and learning about my car. I at least wanted to post this footage. That way, if I forget anything about my car, I'll be able to come back to it to see what this car can do. And if anyone else may be interested in a Mercedes-Benz, you get to learn about a lot of the cool features that this car does have. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up for a more detailed car tour video.
That's a little basket that holds groceries. Remember, there's no spare, there's no jack because you have extended mobility tires, you don't need it. See that? Now, when you want to lock it.
Come on, Mom.
Alright, so here's the reason I'm showing you this. Some people will try to grab this side and push that at the same time. And this lock will go like that, or it won't work at all. Okay, I just want you to know how it works.
Now does it do that because of the key, right?
Yep. If you stood over there and I did this, it wouldn't do anything.
It's like,
you know there's a lumbar on the side of the seat. There's a round button.
round button. I do feel that. And that does the same thing as
no,
this?
that fills in the gap in your lower back. If you push the end of the button that's closest to the front, you'll fill the bag fill up with air.
It's on my lower back. Oh, that's nice.
It extends the bottom of the seat out under your knees.
Okay.
So it takes the pressure off your lower back.
Gotcha.
Which, if you're on a long trip, that makes a lot of difference. Now, if you don't like it, go ahead and move it back to where it was.
Okay.
I just want you to know it's there. Thank you. Now, is everything the way you want it? Your seat's where you want it?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to say, if somebody else gets in your car, you can go back to the way you want to.
Okay.
Your windows and your mirrors are here. That button in the middle, that will fold your mirrors up. That one. Yeah, that folds your mirrors up.
Gotcha.
Okay? You got rain sensing wipers. Turn this to the first position. As it rains, it will start wiping, and then the harder it rains, the faster it wipes. All right. Then you have your headlights that are set to auto. They'll just come on and off when they're supposed to. It's right here, that short piece. And what that does is changes your steering column position. Your dual climate controls air and heat. Your start button, you have to put your foot on the brake to make it start. Go ahead and start it. These lights, see how bright they are?
Okay.
Are you searching? Is that you?
That's me, yes.
You should be transferring all your stuff in there right now.
Oh.
So here's the way this works. See this thing? I'm just kind of spinning right here, but look, I can use this part too.
Okay.
To make selections up here. It's operating the screen. So when I go to vehicles, I can make a selection. For instance, I'm going to select vehicle settings. Acoustic lock feedback. That means it beeps to let you know when your doors are locked. A seatbelt adjustment. It'll tighten up your seatbelts when you get in. Automatic folding mirrors. When you lock the doors, the mirrors automatically fold. Locator lighting. These lights stay on after you turn off the vehicle. Make sure you can get your house safely. Right? Interior lighting delayed switch. How long do you want the interior lights to stay on? You okay with 30 seconds?
Yeah, 30 seconds is good.
The outside lights, you want to do 30 or want to do longer? Alright. Ambient light color. Ambient lighting is the low-level colored lighting.
You should do like a minute on your outside dark as it is where you live.
Dash. You can't see it right now. You'll notice it at night though. I'm going to leave it at blue, but I just want you to know that you can change it. Turn the brightness up. It'll be more visible. Easy exit entry. That means the steering wheel will move up when you turn the vehicle off to allow you to get in and out of the vehicle. All right, here is Rebecca, who is our product concierge.
Did we get you Bluetooth connected?
Yes, we did.
Perfect. Easy entry exit, so basically whenever you turn the vehicle off, that means your steering wheel will slide up to make more room for you to get in and out.
Okay.
Would you like your vehicle to make a sound when you lock it? Like beep?
Sure.
Perfect. Belt adjustment. Do you like it when you lock that seatbelt in and it gives you that little hug from Mercedes-Benz?
Yeah, that's fine.
Automatic mirror folding, of course we want that on. Locator lighting, this means whenever you hit the unlock button, all those lights come on so you know exactly where your vehicle is located. Okay. Automatic locking, whenever you get over a speed of 10 miles per hour, the doors are going to automatically lock. Interior lighting delayed switch off, I would suggest having that on 15 seconds. Anything longer than that makes you feel like you didn't shut off your electronics. Ambient light color, you have 3 choices. You have neutral, solar, and polar. That's going to be like all the undertone lighting in here.
Let's go with the polar.
Of course. My favorite too. And then at the brightest it'll go. Dynamic select, that's what this right here is. If you'll notice the C in the top left corner, that means you're in comfort mode. Now comfort is set by default, but you can change these anytime. You have eco, which will save you the most on the gas. Comfort, make this most comfortable ride for you. Sport's gonna make that gas pedal more sensitive and steering column stiffer. Okay. Sport plus is basically that times 10, and then individual configuration no one ever really uses, but basically that means if you like that stiffer driving of sports mode, you can set your steering wheel to sports mode and your engine to comfort. I'll go ahead and put you back on comfort now. And then consumption. After the first few weeks of driving the vehicle, you can check back in consumption. It will show you a graph of how you're consuming your miles per gallon. This right here is the digital operator's manual in case you ever lose the paper one. That should be in your trunk. And then time, central standard, your daily savings time is set to automatic. You'll never have to worry about setting the time in this vehicle again. And did Larry explain the touchpad and the dial to you?
Yeah, sorta. I can move around with this.
Now, this dial, I like the dial. I think it's faster and more accurate. It's also like a joystick. So like if I wanted to get down here, you can literally push your dial down like that. And sideways, sideways, twist, and pushes down to select.
To select, okay.
You in here.
That's me.
Yep. Perfect. So now every time you go into media, it's going to automatically connect your apps.
Okay.
So you can just play Pandora, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, anything, and it'll automatically start playing it. I've memorized what every class should be set at. You have a Burmester sound system. This is over 500 watts of 3D surround sound. If you were to put this in your home, it'd be over $100,000.
Wow.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
We just came to look.
We did.
When we go home, they are going to be shocked.
Yeah.
3-month free trial of Sirius XM radio. What do you listen to? Like the top pop hits or hip hop R&B, like the Heat?
R&B.
Link.
46.
Do you have a child's lock up there? I'm sure you do.
Probably this one.
Yep, that is correct.
This one.
Look at you go. Right here is usually like the best for hip hop R&B. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I was. So I just purchased a memory card, and then it does the. Once I insert it, I can figure out the navigation parts of this.
Yes.
Okay.
Have you bought one yet?
No.
So make sure you edit it out this.
I will meet anyone ever somebody calls you. It's going to show up on the screen who's calling, and you can either decline or accept them. We're going to do vehicle settings, so that's basically the gist of everything in here. I'm going to put you back in radio for now. Okay. There is hard buttons for everything I showed you: Navi, radio, media, telephone, vehicle settings, emergency flashers, CD, pop it out, dual acting climate system. So as a passenger, I can have mine set to whatever I like. You can have yours set to whatever you like. But if you are the only one in the vehicle, you can just hit sync. It'll automatically match the passion of the driver, and then you have control over both. Just like how it's coming at you, feet and head, fan speed here. Auto works like your air conditioning system at home. Windshield defogger, rear defogger, air circulation mode. If you smell something less than pleasant on the outside of the vehicle, you can hit this button. It'll close out all the outside air coming in and only refreshen and refurbish the air that's already in. And then you've got an ashtray here. This is a German still smoke. Cup holders. This is that stop and go feature, so when you come to a red light, you're going to feel your engine shut off. That is to preserve the life of the engine and preserve fuel. It's completely controlled by the brake and causes zero delay.
Okay.
But like, a lot of people don't like that feature, so you can shut it off. Just remember it comes back on by default.
Okay.
And this is going to turn this whole media screen off and back on again. You've got volume here and volume mute there. I'm going to close since you pulled it off a lot. And then... Alright, so
we almost
these are map lights, specially designed to not cause a reflection on your windshield while you're driving. Then we have this, we turn these on and off. This will turn all the back ones on and off. And then this is keeping all of your interior lights off. I'm going to put them on automatic, so when you open a car door, interior lights come on, and when you close it, they'll shut off. Thank you. Roadside Assistance, when you hit that button, it'll directly connect you to a Mercedes-Benz service department. They'll come out and tow you. And you got your SOS. If you can't reach your phone in order to dial 911, you can hit that red button. They will dial 911 for you and stay on the line with you until emergency personnel arrive. Both of these complimentary 5-year free trial. And then you got your I button, which you can hit that I button 24/7 and a live Mercedes-Benz concierge will come online. And you could say anything from book my flights, book my hotels, make me dinner reservations, put it into my navigation system. Basically anything you want to do over the internet, they'll do it for you. You have a free trial of that. It's like a month or so. And then after that, they start charging you. And then sunnies go here. And then this is your beautiful roof. You pull it back. This is the only window that opens. The back one's just a window.
Okay.
So that'll go all the way back. If you want it to go forward, you push it forward. And if you want the shade to go forward, you just push it forward again. Okay. And they'll both go at the same time. So they close at the same time. Okay. It's fabulous. And then you've got garage door programming right here. Now there is directions in your manual, but they are quite difficult to follow, so I'm told. What I've been suggesting to people, and this has like helped like 99% of people, is get on YouTube, literally YouTube Mercedes-Benz garage door program. There's a video that's 3 minutes and 22 seconds long. It'll show you exactly how to do it. I know you're a pro at YouTube, so that works. And then
I said I ain't messing with her unless she real fine. You feel me? I ain't messing with her unless she real fine. I used